guys, it's Boxing Dog Gamer, and I hate my haircut. But, Super Sheep, my best friend, has been telling me, this is a game Super Sheep has figured out, and I think it's amazing. Look at my haircut. Hello, everyone. This is Captain. See, I got a badge award for showing my hair. Welcome to the flight. We are currently flying at a usual of, that's lofty, sea level. Water looks, which means we'll be arriving in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore the airplane. Pretty nice airplane, guys. Pretty nice music, too. But I got my passport here, and I'm ready to jump off this plane. Oh my gosh, look at my face. Now please, find your seats. And we are about to cross a high turbulence. Long word. I had to find J6. What was that? Thank you for your corporation. Oh my health. What just happened? Get ready for our crew. Prepare for a snack, everybody. Alright, where's J6? J6. Hello, everyone. We're the crew. Sandwich. Bro, I have a sandwich. Bro, hold on. Look at that. We're in an airplane. That's cool. I'm not feeling very well. I'm sorry, Dolphins 1, 2, 2, 3, 0. I'm allergic to mayo. Oh boy. Oh no. Quickly. We need to find Dolphins. Package for the medicine. How dare you? Alright, we got some scissors. We got Captain. Find it. Two, one. Come on, guys. You gotta find this. For once. Oh, Super Sheep, I want you to subscribe. Because you're not subscribing, Super Sheep. I'm upset, Super Sheep. I'm just kidding. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Aw, we'll have to stay. Oh, that's sad. Good afternoon. All 2 passengers, I inform you that we have reached a stable. Oh, this is the captain. Enjoy the time to ride. Nighttime on. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. Alright, yeah, you're right. I need to stretch my legs. We we'll have to stay for a few hours to go. Hey, lady. Oh no. It appears that we have lost energy. Don't worry, I still got the windows. We've lost energy. Hang on, we're gonna fix it. Guys, look. What is that on the right? What are you talking about? Oh! You will not survive. Are those snake? Oh my goodness, look at them. I'm a dodge, I'm not a snake tamer. So if you would, oh, they're biting me. What? They were biting me.